You upload a photo to Instagram. Within seconds, a brand likes the post, a comment appears, and a personalized direct message lands in your inbox. The brand didn't see your photo. The commenter is a language model evaluating your pixel data. The message in your inbox was triggered by a programmed webhook. The original experience of sharing life updates with real friends now has to compete with a massive, invisible layer of automated scripts that process content the moment it goes live. On a platform where over half of all users visit the Explore page daily, the primary role of a human user is to provide the behavioral signals, the likes, scrolls, and views that keep the system's predictive models running. To understand how the platform actually functions today, we have to dissect the life cycle of a modern post, examining how it is spawned, distributed, and analyzed entirely by machines. The life cycle begins with creation. Using generative features like Meta's backdrop tool, a creator can take a standard photo, strip away the background, and prompt the system to hallucinate an entirely new environment. Automated platforms instantly spawn hundreds of variations. A single shot splinters into 500 posts. But research on the AI penalty reveals AI-generated imagery sees lower engagement and authenticity. Conversely, AI-generated captions show a significant boost in likes compared to human text. While audiences are often quick to spot and reject visual inauthenticity in an image, they are more susceptible to the algorithmic patterns of a machine-written caption. The data suggests a delicate strategic balance for creators, leveraging AI-optimized text while ensuring the visual remains unmistakably human to avoid the engagement penalty. Once content survives the creation phase, it enters a recommender system built on 4 distinct levels of algorithmic prediction. The first tier serves broad categorical blocks of content based on your past behavior. Once you click a post, subsequent tiers take over. They predict the exact sequence of content you will see, determining what is most attractive for that specific session. These systems run on micro-predictions. They process your activity to calculate the mathematical probability that you will watch a specific video from start to finish. They even forecast the likelihood of you saving the audio from a reel to use in your own post. This prediction is vital for Meta, as the promise of high audio usage is what convinces artists to license their music to the platform. If a user sends a direct message to a brand, a hybrid AI chatbot intercepts the text and begins processing a response in milliseconds. These systems split the work. Rule-based logic handles routine FAQs like shipping status, while more complex, open-ended questions are passed to a large language model to generate a conversational reply. At the end of this cycle sits software like InstaFlow. It is an analytics platform designed to close the loop, using AI to monitor and evaluate the performance of other AI systems. It uses sentiment analysis to read captions and comments, identifying emotional tones and audience preferences, and then reports that data back to marketers to help optimize future posts. The life cycle is increasingly a closed loop, AI generating content distributed by AI predictors, replied to by AI chatbots, and analyzed by AI sentiment trackers. In response to this high-volume automated environment, new features are being introduced that give human users more visibility into how the system operates. One major change is the AI Creator label. It's a mandatory tag that appears on the profile and posts of accounts that regularly produce AI-generated or assisted content. This disclosure allows users to make an informed choice, giving them the ability to scroll past content they perceive as inauthentic. There is also the Your Algorithm feature, which allows users to see and reset the topics that shape their recommendations. By opening this dashboard, you can view the interests the AI has assigned to you and manually delete any topics you are no longer interested in seeing. While AI now handles the mechanics and much of the content of the platform, these tools allow human users to decide exactly which signals the algorithm is allowed to use.